Ako ang tinuturo. Sabi ko, ako hanggang sa bahay lang, hindi dyan sa panlabas. Pero wala akong magagawa. Pag inigay niya sa akin ang microphone, I have to get up and say something. Si Mandy ang pangalawa naming anak. I can describe him as an intelligent, happy-go-lucky guy.
Yes!
Balansi yan. Alam ko, may laman ang ulo niya. Pero meron ding kalokohan paminsan.
Yung ibang anak.
Well, I'm proud to tell you that I have 5 children. All of them graduated from the University of the Philippines. And out of 5, 3 of them graduated with honors. 2 magna cum laude and 1 cum laude. That's one thing.